Welcome to Consumer Times. In this episode, we explore India's groundbreaking initiative where telecom service providers, TSPs, will soon introduce Truecaller services to protect millions of consumers from mobile frauds, spam calls, and the terrifying digital arrest scams. Discover how this revolutionary feature will identify suspicious calls before you answer, saving you from financial losses and emotional distress. Whether it's fake bank calls, lottery scams, or impersonators pretending to be police officers, this new system promises to be your first line of defense. Watch till the end to understand how this technology works and why it's a game changer for consumer protection in India. Hello and welcome back to Consumer Times, your trusted source for everything related to consumer protection and rights. I'm your host Dr. Arun Kumar, and today we are discussing a revolutionary development that's set to transform how Indian consumers deal with one of the most persistent threats in the digital age, mobile phone frauds. If you've ever received a call claiming you've won a lottery you never entered, or worse, someone threatening you with digital arrest, while pretending to be a police officer, then this episode is crucial for you. India is soon introducing a game-changing feature where telecom service providers, or TSPs, will offer Truecaller-like services directly integrated into your mobile network. This isn't just another app, it's a comprehensive shield that promises to protect millions of consumers from sophisticated fraud schemes that have cost Indians billions of rupees and countless sleepless nights. Before we start by understanding the magnitude of the problem we are facing, please comment, like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates and to motivate us. Mobile phone fraud in India has reached epidemic proportions. According to recent reports, Indians lose thousands of crores every year to various phone-based scams. The methods used by fraudsters have become increasingly sophisticated. They impersonate bank officials asking for your OTP, pose as customs officers claiming your package contains illegal items, or even pretend to be police officers threatening you with arrest unless you immediately transfer money. The psychological impact of these scams is devastating. Victims often feel embarrassed, violated, and deeply anxious about their financial security. The digital arrest scam deserves special attention because it represents a particularly cruel form of fraud. In these scams, criminals video call victims while wearing police uniforms or sitting in fake police station setups. They threaten immediate arrest for fabricated crimes, everything from drug trafficking to money laundering, and demand instant payment to avoid legal action. The urgency and fear these scammers create leads many educated, careful people to make hasty decisions they later regret. Elderly citizens are especially vulnerable, often transferring their life savings while under this psychological pressure. So what exactly is this new Truecaller service that TSPs will provide, and how is it different from the Truecaller app you might already be using? The key difference lies in integration and reliability. When your telecom service provider offers this service directly, the caller identification happens at the network level, not just at the application level. This means the system can leverage vast databases maintained by telecom operators, regulatory authorities, and crowdsourced information to identify suspicious numbers in real time. Here's how it works in practice. When someone calls you, the system instantly checks that number against multiple databases. These include numbers reported for fraud, numbers flagged by other users, numbers associated with spam campaigns, and numbers that don't match legitimate organizational patterns. If the system detects anything suspicious, you'll see a clear warning on your screen before you even answer the call. It might say, suspected fraud, spam risk, or reported scam number. This split-second warning gives you the power to make an informed decision, answer, ignore, or block. The benefits of this TSP-provided Truecaller service extend far beyond simple caller identification. First and foremost, it provides universal protection. Unlike third-party apps that require downloads, updates, and permissions, this service works automatically for every subscriber. Your grandmother who doesn't understand apps gets the same protection as tech-savvy youngsters. There's no complicated setup, no privacy concerns about sharing your contacts, and no subscription fees eating into your mobile balance. The protection against digital arrest scams becomes particularly robust with this system. Since these scammers typically use VoIP numbers, burner phones, or spoofed caller IDs, the TSP system can identify patterns that individual users cannot. When multiple people report receiving threatening calls from similar number sequences, or when calls originate from suspicious locations claiming to be from Indian law enforcement, the system learns and adapts. Future victims get warned before they even hear the scammer's voice. Moreover, this system tackles the problem of unwanted marketing calls that plague every Indian mobile user. We've all experienced those frustrating interruptions during important meetings or family time, calls about credit cards we don't need, loans we haven't requested, or insurance policies that sound too good to be true. With TSP-level caller identification, these commercial spam callers get automatically flagged, allowing you to decide whether you want to engage with marketing content or protect your peace of mind. The financial savings alone make this service invaluable. Consider that a single successful fraud can wipe out years of savings. By preventing even one scam call from succeeding, this service pays for itself many times over. But beyond money, there's the emotional security it provides. Knowing that your phone network is actively working to protect you means you can answer calls without that nagging anxiety about whether this might be another scam attempt. From a broader consumer protection perspective, this initiative represents a fundamental shift in how telecom companies view their responsibility. For years, TSPs were seen merely as service providers. They connected your calls and provided data, but what happened during those calls was your problem. Now, they're acknowledging that they have the infrastructure, data, and capability to actively protect consumers. This sets a powerful precedent for other industries to take proactive consumer protection measures rather than reactive ones. The implementation of this service also sends a strong message to fraudsters. When caller identification becomes universal and network level, the cost and difficulty of running scam operations increase dramatically. Fraudsters can no longer rely on people's lack of information or technological sophistication. They can't simply change numbers and start fresh because the system learns patterns, not just individual numbers. This makes the entire fraud ecosystem less profitable and more risky for criminals. As consumers, we should welcome this development while remaining vigilant. Technology is a powerful tool, but it's not infallible. Sophisticated scammers will undoubtedly try to find workarounds, and we must continue practicing basic safety measures, never sharing OTPs, verifying caller identities through official channels, and trusting our instincts when something feels wrong. In conclusion, the introduction of Truecaller services by TSPs represents a watershed moment in India's fight against mobile fraud. It combines technological innovation with consumer protection in a way that's accessible, effective, and desperately needed. As this service rolls out across the country, millions of consumers will gain a powerful ally in their daily battle against scammers, spammers, and digital criminals. At Consumer Times, we believe this is exactly the kind of proactive, consumer-first initiative that India needs. Stay informed, stay protected, and remember, your telecom provider is now watching your back. Thank you for watching Consumer Times. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button, share this video with friends and family who need this protection, and subscribe to our channel for more consumer rights and protection content. Drop your experiences with mobile frauds in the comments below. Your story might help protect someone else. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.